Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create an account for Waze from your mobile device? This is the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open App Store. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and search for Waze and go ahead and download and install this application onto your device. Finally, once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on open and click on allow. And once you've done that, in order to sign up, simply go ahead and click on get started. And once you've done that, it's going to take you right over here into this page. On the left hand side, what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on sign up with Google, sign up with email, or sign up later. So that is about it. Once you go ahead and click on sign up with email, it's going to ask you your email, it's going to ask you to create a password, and you will be in your device. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you